So guys, in the second part, you got to know how to do texturing and extracting diffuse, displacement and normal map in Mudbox. In this third and the last part of the tutorial, I will tell you how to bring all these materials in 3ds Max and how to get all these details in Max. So first of all, you need to decrease the density of mesh by pressing paste down button. Now go to select move tools and select the object mode and click on the mesh. Now go to file, export selection, and here you can save it in mesh.obj format. Okay, now it's time to switch back to 3ds Max, and here go to file, import, and bring the mesh.obj file here, import, and you will find the biceps mesh in the viewport. If you render it, it will look something like this. First of all, go to rendering environment and make the background color something like this so that we could easily see the mesh property. Now press M to open the material editor and select an empty slot. Click on standard and select architectural, and in the diffuse channel let's bring the skin diffuse texture and apply it to the mesh, and you will find something like this. Since this is showing only a one-sided polygon, so let's activate the two-sided option, and by doing so the other side of the mesh is also renderable. Right now there is no detail in the biceps, so let's bring our displacement map in the scene. In the special effects tab, click on the bump channel and select normal bump, and in the additional bump select the bitmap and choose the skin displacement texture. Okay, and as soon as you render the scene you will see this problem, this patchy thing. Why this is so? If you open the image of the displacement map, you will see this torn part. This is a Mudbox problem. So to solve this issue, we need to go to Mudbox once again. So close it and switch to Mudbox once again, and here go to map, extract texture map, click on displacement map and go down and find this thing, search distance. By default it is 12.39. If you keep the value more lower, the more torn parts you will see in the displacement map. So make it something like 20 and save the file as disp.png. Extract, and in a couple of seconds you will have the new generated displacement map. And once you are done, switch back to 3ds Max and select this new generated displacement map, and if you view this map you will find that the previous problem has gone. Now if you render the scene you will find no problem here anymore. Now increase the displacement amount, and if you render the scene you will find some more details here. Some parts look black and dark because there is no light in the scene. So let's create some lights here. Some standard target spotlights. Make some key light, fill lights, top lights, backlights. Play with the intensity values of the different lights. Now if you render the scene you will see something like this. More detailed render. But you may see these patches here. If you go more closer, you can see clearly what I mean. These patches. Details are there, but these patches are killing the scene. So to overcome this, press M, displacement map, and increase the blur value. And now if you render the scene, you will see there is no patchy problem around anymore. Good. So you can use this technique in so many things and get awesome results. Let me show you some of my old works. Again, I would say that I'm not a modeler, but I just played with the tools and made these sculpts. I made this demon inside Mudbox, and I had started with just a sphere. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this crash course on Max to Mudbox and again Mudbox to Max workflow tutorial. Apply your own creativity and play wildly in Mudbox. Thanks to hear me guys. This is Chandan Kumar from India. See you soon. Bye bye.